We're not letting those muscles discourage us at all.
Oh my God!
To get to the island, the women have no choice but to swim to the shore in the clothes they're wearing.
No dry clothes and no fire.
Meanwhile,
It's gonna take
We'll just cuddle We got 0 sleep last night. We stayed up the entire night, and we haven't had fire because it rained and put it out, so now we haven't eaten. There's the sun.
We do not care.
I have no shame. I've never been so miserable. I couldn't get my tail over there to that fire fast enough. Come on, guys.
flashback.
We're not letting those muscles discourage us at all.
We're not letting those muscles discourage us at all.